Learn English with Titanic movie. A Titanic Voyage to English tenses. Each question takes 10 seconds. You can pause the video if you need more time to think. Question number 1. Rose often feels trapped by her life. Time marker, often. Tense, simple present tense. Question number 2. Rose and Jack were dancing below deck while the music played loudly. Time marker, while. Tense, past continuous tense. Question number 3. I have never seen such a magnificent ship. Time marker, never. Tense, present perfect tense. Question number 4. At this time next week, the Titanic will be docking in New York. Time marker, at this time next week. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 5. We will reach New York tomorrow. Time marker, tomorrow. Tense, simple future tense. Question number 6. Rose has been waiting for hours for a lifeboat. Time marker, 4 hours. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 7. At this time next week, the Titanic will be docking in New York. Time marker, at this time next week. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 8. By dawn, the rescue ship will have arrived. Time marker, by dawn. Tense, future perfect tense. Question number 9. Rose is staring at the ocean right now. Time marker, right now. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 10. They met on the bow 2 days ago. Time marker, 2 days ago. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 11. The orchestra was playing when the ship hit the iceberg. Time marker, when. Tense, past continuous tense. Question number 12. I will never let go, Jack. Time marker, never. Tense, simple future tense. Question number 13. By midnight, the ship will have sailed 1,000 miles. Time marker, by midnight. Tense, future perfect tense. Question number 14. The lower decks of the Titanic ship are getting colder at the moment. Time marker, at the moment. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 15. Passengers had already eaten dinner before the warning. Time marker, already. Tense, past perfect tense. Question number 16. Jack will meet you at the clock soon. Time marker, soon. Tense, simple future tense. Question number 17. People have been talking about the unsinkable ship for years. Time marker, 4 years. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 18. The band will be playing all night on their last voyage. Time marker, all night. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 19. By the time rescuers arrive, most of the lifeboats will have gone. Time marker, by the time. Tense, future perfect tense. Question number 20. The captain gives orders daily. Time marker, daily. Tense, simple present tense. Question number 21. The water is rising rapidly now. Time marker, now. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 22. Rose's mother arranged her engagement long ago. Time marker, long ago. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 23. Everyone was sleeping peacefully when the collision happened. Time marker, when. Tense, past continuous tense. Question number 24. Rose is going to jump in a moment. Time marker, in a moment. Tense, future simple tense. Question number 25. Divers have been exploring the wreck since the 1980s. Time marker, since the 1980s. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 26. They will be searching for survivors all morning. Time marker, all morning. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 27. By then, all hope will have been lost. Time marker, by then. Tense, future perfect tense. Question number 28. The lifeboats are being lowered at the moment. Time marker, at the moment. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 29. Jack won his ticket in a poker game the day before. Time marker, the day before. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 30. The remaining passengers will be fighting for survival during the next few hours. Time marker, during the next few hours. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 31. Passengers are listening to the band presently. Time marker, presently. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 32. Cal gave Rose the heart of the ocean diamond necklace that day. Time marker, that day. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 33. The crew was trying to steer away as the iceberg approached. Time marker, as. Tense, past continuous tense. Question number 34. Rose had survived the sinking before rescue arrived. Time marker, before. Tense, past perfect tense. Question number 35. Divers have been searching for artifacts for decades. Time marker, for decades. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 36. The Titanic departs from Southampton on April 10th. Time marker, on April 10th. Tense, simple present tense. Question number 37. The Titanic ship struck the iceberg at 11:40 p.m. Time marker, at 11:40 p.m. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 38. Explorers have been documenting the wreck for years. Time marker, 4 years. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 39. The freezing water is rushing into the compartments now. Time marker, now. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 40. Many passengers had eaten their final meal before the disaster. Time marker, before. Tense, past perfect tense. Question number 41. The rescue ship have been searching for survivors since dawn. Time marker, since dawn. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number 42. The ship's band will be performing at dinner tomorrow evening. Time marker, at dinner tomorrow evening. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number 43. The Titanic is sinking fast at this moment. Time marker, at this moment. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 44. The lights are flickering currently. Time marker, currently. Tense, present continuous tense. Question number 45. Rose returned to her cabin after the party. Time marker, after. Tense, simple past tense. Question number 46. Cal had always controlled Rose's life until Jack came along. Time marker, until. Tense, past perfect tense. Question number 47. The ocean has been holding the secret of the wreck for over a century. Time marker, for over a century. Tense, present perfect continuous tense. Question number, 48. The rescue efforts will be continuing throughout the day tomorrow. Time marker, throughout the day tomorrow. Tense, future continuous tense. Question number, 49. By the end of the movie, Rose will have told her whole story. Time marker, by the end of the movie. Tense, future perfect tense. Question number, 50. The ship's band played until the very end on that fateful night. Time marker, on that fateful night. Tense, simple past tense. Like, comment and subscribe.